The crypto market is pulling back, and this is what you must know. I'm making this video because recently, this past month, we have so many new people coming to the crypto space. Okay, I'm everywhere on social media, Instagram, Threads, YouTube, everywhere, and I know what's going on, and I know for sure there's so many new people in crypto now. Okay, but what you must understand is that we can easily pull back to 90, early 90s Bitcoin, even 80s. For Bitcoin, okay, easily, and that would cause a 30% drop in the market for altcoins. But one thing you must know, guys, is during the bull market, which we are, is that pullbacks, dips, are for buying. It's not financial advice. It's just my past experience, in my opinion, looking at the charts as well. Pullbacks are for buying. The dips are for buying, because in the bull market, the dips are different than in the bear market. In the bear market, the dips were going down, and we're just in fear, the state of fear of like, oh my gosh, we're going lower and lower, creating new lows and lows for this coin, right? You've seen that for Shiba Inu, Algorand, so many coins where we had pullbacks, and we were just in a state of fear where it was like, we're creating new lows that we've never been before, right? Since this coin was created or whatever. So that's different in the bull market. In the bull market, the pullbacks are usually fast, okay, until we get the first big dip, right? Like we had back in 2021, where Bitcoin went from like 65K to 30K, and then went back to like 67K or something. So my opinion why this time is bullish, okay, is because I'll give you guys some things here, some intel from what I've seen in the charts, because I keep you guys updated in the charts and what's going on in the market. But what's bullish about this time and why this dip is bullish is because, like, older coins, they call them boomer coins, right? Like Litecoin, even XLM, and all these other coins that are older and are more on the utility side are starting to go up. They are starting to go up. And why this is so significant is that even back in March, when we had a big pump in the crypto market, right? We had AI, like everything, right? AI, meme coins especially, even gaming coins were going up. During that time, those coins like Litecoin, they weren't going up that much. They were not going up that much. They were going up probably like a little bit compared to those coins. But now we see Litecoin hitting $100. We see XLM shooting up from 11 cents to nearly 60 cents in a matter of days. We're starting to see a lot of older coins and utility coins start to pick up momentum. And that's a good sign, because that's a sign that tells you this is for real. This bull market is for real. You just have to be patient, buy the dips, and there's going to be a point where we have euphoria. And that's the thing too. We had 94 extreme greed, guys. We hit 94 on the fear and greed index. Now we're pulling back. I believe last time I checked, we're like 86 or 80 something. But we're still in extreme greed. That doesn't mean the top is in. That doesn't mean the bull market is over. Like I said, there's a lot of new people in the crypto space, and this is what I believe. This is where I believe we are at. The majority of these new people that are in the crypto space are from stocks and other, most likely stocks, right? What I can envision is these people are people that had Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, like all these stocks apps. They're in the stock market. This is where it gives me deja vu, because this is when I came in back in 2019. It literally gives me deja vu, because I was in stocks. I was trading options, and I was doing all these things. I was in the stock market, and I came into crypto through that. That was like a gateway, right? But the majority of these people are coming from stocks. The moment where we can understand when the top is near, or where the top will be at, is when people start coming in that are not even interested in investing or finances. You see what I'm saying? Once you start to see people that aren't coming from stocks, just from stocks, but are coming from, normal people out there that they don't even have stock apps that you can invest in stocks, right? And they're just never been interested in investing. Once you start seeing those people come into the market, that's when I believe the top is most likely in or near. And you might start seeing a little bit now. You might even say, oh, but you know, my friend, he this and that, he's asking me this and that. Yeah, there might be a couple, right? But during the euphoria stage, there's going to be a lot of people. There's going to be a lot of people that are interested. They're going to be asking, oh, what's the, you know, how do I buy crypto and stuff like that? And they don't even have any investing apps. So they're pulling into crypto without even getting into in stocks first. You see what I'm saying? So that is a huge signal right there that the top will be in. And I look, at the moment, I believe I'm going to keep you guys updated, right? But for sure, I'm definitely taking profits this spring before May, sell in May and go away. But before May, and I wouldn't be surprised if the market starts to go down months before May, right, in the spring. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on that. There's going to be, it's very situational. If we have huge pumps to the upside going into March, April, I'm taking heavy profits, the majority of my portfolio. If we slowly, gradually go up, right, Bitcoin, we're not having this euphoria yet. Bitcoin is gradually going up, maybe 110, 120. You know, a lot of altcoins are slowly going up too, which I think it's not going to be like that because the crypto market moves fast, month to month. But if you have something like that, I'm going to take some profits, but I'm going to leave some because most likely there's a big chance the top could be in the fall. But I want you guys to understand is do not fall for people saying that the top will be in the fall. Okay, if you make crazy money this spring, take it. That's all I'm saying. You do not want to fall for that because we don't know, guys. Why do you want to chance it? If for so many altcoins, even Dogecoin, it peaked in the spring of 2021. It peaked 73 cents or so. Then in the fall, I believe it was like 30, 40 cents, even with the market going up. You see what I'm saying? So it's not the peak is not the same for all coins. It's not. So you got to take your profits when your coin is up a lot. And like I said, this is a great sign. So I would not be bearish right now. If you're in a state of fear, you most likely just bought crypto the last week or something for new people coming in. Look, you got to think of it like this. You bought crypto, you bought whatever coin. You cannot panic sell if we drop 20, 30%. Okay? You got to be long-term minded. You got to have a long-term mind investing in the crypto space in terms of where the peak will be in, where euphoria will be in, right? I'm not telling you about invest in crypto and wait like 5 years or something, or, you know, like the S&P 500. Not like that. But in terms of where euphoria, where you see Bitcoin reaching levels that most likely is the top, right? Where you see, and that's the thing too, Bitcoin dominance, we hit around 60 on Bitcoin dominance, and now we're starting to pull back a little bit. We're at 59 and something, which is good because we're starting to see like every time Bitcoin goes up nicely and pulls back slightly, and you start to see coins go up like Litecoin and, you know, all these older coins, even meme coins, that's a good sign. That's a sign that people are taking the profits from Bitcoin and, you know, and putting them into these other coins. And I do believe Ethereum is going to start to take off very soon. And that's my number one thing. Once Ethereum starts to take off and once you see Bitcoin dominance start to curve, potentially after going above 60, that's when I believe altcoin season, that's when I think it's going to get crazy. That's your sign right there. Okay, so again, if you guys want to be up to date, join the free Telegram, Cryptopolis. We have over almost 900 people at the moment. It's been growing so much. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.